Hi adventure friends, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fauzian. You can call me Ian with name 002. In this video, I will invite you to visit Coban Talun, which is located in Tulungarejo, Batu City. First we book a ticket at price of 15,000 rupiah per person. Here, like a tourist complex, there are waterfall, oyot, ayunan, Pakupon houses, Apache tents, strawberry gardens, pine forests, upside down houses and Japanese caves. And here there are also off-road tour for adrenaline lover. To get to the waterfall, we have to travel a distance of 600 meters. During the trip, we were treated to a beautiful natural atmosphere, and the road access to the waterfall was quiet step. But don't worry, because here we provide motorcycle taxi service, which are priced at 10,000 rupiah. After 20 minutes of walking, we finally arrived at the waterfall. This is a view of the waterfall from below. The waterfall is 50 to 60 meters high, with a clear water flow and creates a pool of water that is not too deep. But still be careful in the rainy season. Okay guys? And if you visit here, don't worry about food, because there are many food stalls here that sell food at fairly standard prices. And when we returned from the waterfall, we were greeted with the distant sound of the chandelier. And in the Coban Talun area, there is a hill that can be accessed by traveling 1 kilometer. To reach the top, in 30 minutes on a gentle road, you will reach the peak of Kalindra Hill with a height of 1,500 meters above sea level. And that's all from our trip, and thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.
Are you ready for the highs and lows?